So, what's up guys, it's Skoogz here, coming at you with a new video. It's been a while, maybe like 2 weeks or so, a week. So, I'm at work right now, the shelter, as you can see and hear, probably. And so, this is what I deal with on a day-to-day basis. Oh, you're so cute, yes you are. So yeah, this is what I do. Ignore the loud noises, you gotta deal with that. Yeah, I'm up. Yeah. So, as you can hear, it is pretty loud. This is what I do every single day. This is kind of hard, but whatever. Almost there, right? Here's the straight side. Here's where I'm going. Freaking move. Breaker, bathroom, toilet, me. So what's oh man. Yeah, not really. So I do that every day. And then bathrooms, clean bathrooms, sweep floors, pretty basic. And then mop for 2 hours, something like that. So yeah, it's really fun. I'll leave at 12 and go home and leave for the next one. So I'll keep on trucking. So guys, I'm at my other job right now. It's gonna be annoying as frick. 4 to close, which is at like 9, 10-ish, depending on how well I do tonight. And I'm pretty fired up, to be honest. So let's get this money. Yeah, I can pay tomorrow. Go! I didn't say it, but let's freaking go. Yeah. So going into the next day, Saturday, so now it's Sunday. Once I got home from work, I just kinda passed out for a while, and then didn't really do much. Just chilled, watched TV and stuff, and then passed out. And then woke up at 4 p.m. today, and it wasn't the greatest idea, but I was out and needed sleep to catch up on, and I did, and now I feel better, but I'm like all congested and stuff, if you can't tell, with around my nose and whatnot, cheeks, whatever. Can't really talk that well, but I'm coming out with this video today, so yeah, that'll be awesome. So anyways, gotta do a lot of stuff for CSE this week. Looking for streamers, talking with them and whatnot, and recruiting streamers for CSE. It's gonna be pretty fun. And then me and my boy Plexer, I'm meeting Plexer, making like an organization type thing, charity thing, for our called YouTube for Gaming. It's a pretty cool thing to do, and raising awareness and stuff for people that have cancer or any other diseases, whatnot. So Plexer has a thing called the swear box, or swear jar. So every time he swears, he puts like a couple things in it or something. I don't know the exact amount, but he has that on his videos and stuff. So for whatever we earn or make, it'll go to the charity. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool idea that me and Plexer have come up with about the charity. So yeah, um, not really much stuff to talk about right now, but on the next video, I'm gonna have 32 questions for you guys, for you to ask me or something like that. So in the next video, I'll see you later.